Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 18th General Chapter of the Caritas Sisters of Jesus, 11th group of the Salesian family, ended with the Eucharist celebrated by the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Atame at the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Turin, Valdoco on Thursday, October 21, 2021 at 11:30 a.m. After 2 weeks of general chapters spent in Arisia near Rome, the 45 capitulars went to Turin to entrust the next 6-year term to Mary Help of Christians. In the cradle of the Salesian charism, the religious prayed for the new General Council, Mother General, Mother Emiliana Park Korean, his vicar, Sister Maria Sujihara, Japanese, the General Councillor for Formation, Sister Maria Letizia Ono, Japanese, the General Councillor for the Missions, Sister Veronica Hamasaki, Brazilian, the General Economy, Sister Dafrosa, Korean, the General Councillor for Justice, Peace and Integrity of Creation, Sister Evangeline Min, Korean, the General Councillor for Spirituality, Sister Maria Mukai, Japanese. A little more than a month after the previous edition, a new appointment of the meeting of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Atame, with the Salesian provincials who have reached the middle of their 6-year term is being held in Turin. On this occasion, 12 superiors from 4 continents participated, a further sign of a continuous and ever more intense return to normality in the activities of animation and governance of the congregation. On Tuesday, October 19, 2021, the provincial delegates for formation and the provincial delegates for youth ministry of Africa, Madagascar, gathered in Nairobi at the structures of the Don Bosco Youth Educational Service around the General Councillors Father Ivo Colhio Formation and Father Miguel Angel Garcia Murquende Youth Ministry to share their apostolic experiences in formation. From the exchanges, it emerged that the preventive system and the Salesian Pastoral Educational Plan PEPS constitute the basic model in the formation of missions at all stages of formation, without forgetting the framework of reference of youth ministry and the importance of the educational pastoral community CEP. At the same time, the tendency to privilege the apostolate in the parish at the expense of adequate accompaniment was lamented. Therefore, the delegates for youth ministry were asked to be actively involved in the formation teams to develop a mentality of ongoing formation. Thanks to the great variety of laboratories, we had the opportunity to exchange experiences and acquire useful knowledge for a better job with the boys. This is what a participant says at the first meeting of the School for Salesian Animators SAS held from 15 to 17 October 2021 at the Salesian Schools of Turin. After a discernment carried out in June on the idea of the SAS for young people of the province of Polan Pila PLN, the organizers decided to articulate the program in a series of 3 formation meetings to be carried out during the school year, each with a different theme. The autumn meeting, dedicated to workshops on play and recreational activities, was attended by almost 90 young animators and educators from different groups and communities. On October 15th and 16th, a formative meeting was held via Zoom aimed at all educational pastoral communities of the Salesian circumscription of Central Italy ICC on the theme of integral ecology. Father Stefano Aspettati, ICC Provincial, reminded the 160 participants that the theme also requires answers from the ICC province. Father Josh Rom Kuranthadam, Salesian and coordinator of the Ecology and Creation sector of the Disastery for Integral Human Development, presented the urgency of the ecological conversion promoted by Pope Francis and then illustrated the Laudato Si platform. Emanuela Chang, VIS worker, Laudato Si animator and member of the Disastery for Youth Ministry, in a video interview presented the birth of her ecological vocation and the creation of the Laudato Si circles. Father Enrico Casanelli, SDB, then presented the birth in the ICC province of the Integral Ecology term, composed of 8 members, Salesians and laity, aimed at producing a reflection on the theme of integral ecology and promoting concrete initiatives. Finally, Antonio Lapi, a young student of environmental engineering from Siena, a member of the team, presented the centrality of the social networks in the dissemination of information, particularly in the world of youth. From 7 to 10th October, 11 Salesian priests participated in their ongoing formation event called Quinquennium. Father Joseph Nguyen, Master of Novices and Delegate for Formation of the United States West Province SUO, and Father Dominic Tran, Provincial Vicar and Delegate for Formation of the Province of the United States East and Canada SUE, accompanied the group during the Quinquennium. The participants gathered to reflect and share on their experiences and ministries, focusing on their prayer life as Salesian priests. The young apprentice Gabriel Fernandez, 17, of the Salesian work Parque Don Bosco in Itajai, has won the Stockholm Junior Water Prize, an international award created in 1997 that every year sees thousands of young and brilliant minds competing in the preservation of water and other issues related to sustainability. The project by Gabriel Fernandez of Sao Jose Institute, assisted by Professor Fernanda Poleza, is low cost and improves water quality by retaining plastic particles with a special and specific filter. The project will also be adopted by the Itajai Water Company in the Semesa Water Treatment Station. This photograph, taken in 1913, captures the moment of Don Pablo Albera's visit to the Martí Codolar family in Barcelona. The image wants to reproduce the traditional composition of the famous photograph of Don Bosco's visit to this same place in 1886. At the death of Don Bosco, his successors Don Michel Roa, Don Paulo Albera and Don Filippo Rinaldi all visited this place respectively in 1899, 1913 and 1926. In 1946, then, the last descendants of the family, for the affection that bound them to Don Bosco and to all the Salesians, donated this family estate to the Salesian congregation. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.